Hey there, hello and welcome back to Green Pips FX. And on today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how this simple smart money strategy works. Now, first and foremost, we can just apply the left to right rule, right? So we just need to check out from the left hand side of our chart to the right hand side of our chart, how price has been going and what has been happening in this area here, right? So if we just take a look, we can see that price has been bullish all along, right? So we can see that there's a constant creation of higher highs and higher lows, right? So we can see that a high, a low, right? A higher high, a higher low, right? And then a higher high right here with this as its higher low. And then now we can zoom into this area and see what has been happening. So let's clear that. Okay, so from this high here, price made this low here, right? Maintaining this low here as the previous protected low, that low right there. Price never gets below it, so price is still holding the bullish trend. Now from there, price comes in and breaks this structure here, right? Putting in this intermediary high, drizzling around, and then putting this high here as the overall high, or we can call it the order flow high, right? So this is the high that we're gonna go for. Okay, so let's just make that as our high, right? So this is the high that we're gonna go for. Right, so now we're in a range of this high here to this low here, in a sense that if price is to go bullish, then okay, so let's just remove this. In a sense that if price is to go bullish, then price should make a retracement, of course, into an area of demand down here. But this low right here should be held. Price should not get below this low, especially by closing with a body of a candle below this low here. That should not happen if price is to go bullish from here and maintain its trend. So what do we see, right? So we then apply the law of supply and demand, where we need to find an area of demand in this case, from which price after making this high is going to retrace into to gain that bullish momentum and take out this high here by putting in a new high, right, as the next higher high, since it's a bullish trend. So we can then just remove these. Now that area of demand, particularly being this little guy right here, of course with my own refinement. Now how I do this, I'm not going to explain it in this video, but there are tons of videos which I explain on how to find these most valid areas that price is gonna tap into before initiating the next move, right? And if you want to learn this, then you can just go to our channel, and in the you'll find the playlist of supply and demand, which is completely entirely focused just about how to spot, how to identify, and how to trade from these areas. Now today we're just gonna keep it simple and stick with what I say we're gonna learn, right? So there's our trade. Our stop loss is just below this zone, right? And our take profit target, of course, is this high, right? Like I said before, that price needs to take out this high and putting a new high as the next high. So this is going to be our next liquidity run area. So there we have it, and this is our trade in total, right? So you can see how this happens, right? So a series of events is then followed with, of course, a series of knowledge, right? So first we needed to identify how structure was going, how the market structure was, which we identified market structure as bullish structure. And from bullish structure, then we needed to apply the concept of supply and demand, in which this concept gave us this area to trade from. Price comes in, taps into our area, gives us this nice, very nice sniper entry, and then we now target the high in terms of structure, right? Because if price had put in a lower high, then a higher high needed to be put into place, which is this high, of course. With that being said, guys, this is the end of the video. I meant to keep it short but very informative. If you did like the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, turn that bell button on for notifications, and until the next one, guys, stay safe, have a nice trading week, and peace out.